Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can install Sublime Text 4 on Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. In order to download Sublime Text 4, just open your browser and search for Sublime Text. Let me tell you that Sublime Text is a source code editor for Windows operating system. You can use Sublime Text to write your programming stuff. Now to download, simply open the link from sublimetext.com. Don't worry about the download link, you'll get the download link in the description box. So this is the official website from where you can download Sublime Text. Now to download Sublime Text, simply click on download for Windows and it will download and install a file which is around 20 MB. So let me come to the download process and after that I'll show you how you can install Sublime Text. Our download has been completed. Now just open this installer file. So here we have the installation wizard. Let me minimize the browser. So this is the location where Sublime Text is going to install. If you have a reason to change this location, you can change by clicking on this browse button. But for now, I'm going to keep it default, then click on next. And here we have some additional tasks. If you want to add context menu, then you can check this box, then click on next. This is our installation setup. Just verify it, then click on install. Here you can see our installation process has been successfully completed. Now simply click on finish. Now to use Sublime Text, simply on the search option, search for Sublime Text. Here we have our Sublime Text application. Simply open this. So this is the interface of Sublime Text. Now you can use Sublime Text to write your source code. So this way you can download and install Sublime Text 4 on Windows 11. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.